You know what it's tuned to?
42 hertz.
42? Okay, so it likes a little bit higher than notes.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Did you tell me your name? Did you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Logan Pinson 2 ZVX V215s wired at 1 with a Scar RP 4500 big 3 upgrade on a 250 amp Brand X alternator.
Wow. Did some work on the roof? It helped?
Yep.
Was it making a lot of noise before?
Yeah, it was. A lot of rattle.
What's your battery and alternator power?
My alternator's up under the hood. It's all ran through here.
Okay.
But I don't have an extra battery in it yet.
Nope. Just alternator? Okay. All right. Did you build the box?
My team leader Peyton Johnson built it.
Okay. Peyton Johnson, nice. Is there an air port on the side or? Yeah. Okay, I'll see it after. Is there a way I can see the port and all?
Yeah.
Kind of curious to see how, if it's an 8 or a 10 inch.
It's not an air port, it's just a regular
Wrist lock? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a big one.
False floor.
Nice. That looks good. You know what it's tuned to?
42 hertz.
42? Okay, so it likes a little bit higher than notes.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice.
The reason it wasn't catching the low notes because I already got them smelling right before you walked up.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, you're good.
Thank you. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Logan's Frontier truck system with 215s. Pretty impressive to see how he fit this box behind the back seats, and the amount of pressure was coming out of it, which seemed like it was tearing up his vehicle. So if you notice the way the box layout is with the subs up and the port facing behind the driver's seat for all the pressure flow, port didn't have not a blocking room by the door like some systems I've seen, and having the subs non-inverted was probably the best bet to tune lower. He probably could have inverted them. So anybody looking to tune your enclosure a little lower, just invert the subs. That extra cubic space helps. And if you see the way he has his kill mat, dynamat on the top of the roof, that actually helped a lot, including the foam. But I could still see a good bit of flex on that outside footage we got. So you'll see the subwoofer flex action outside still was really tearing up the cabin because of the pressure. So the amplifier mounting on the side of the box, never really recommend doing that. But if you have nowhere else to put it, it works, gets the job done. Easy access point for crossover tuning on the amplifier as well as hooking it up real fast. But always try to put the amplifier on a safe spot without vibration if possible. So this makes two 15-inch subs on 4,500 watts RMS in this system. We're getting a demo too now. Really tearing up his vehicle. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day. All right.
Now ballin' on the city like king of the south, 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 king of the south. Grew up on the countryside of town.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo. Appreciate it. What was your name?
Logan Benson.
Logan. All right. Thank you for the demo, Logan. You have a good day, man. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.